Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from, depends on your time. Okay, so today is another wonderful vlog. As you can see, I just woke up this morning. Everybody has gone to their normal positions. I mean, my kids have gone to school, my husband has gone to work also. So I decided to boil some water with my microwave, as you can see here. Then after boiling the water, I added some lemon. Guys, I'll be taking you guys along with me what I normally do whenever I'm at home. Okay, so after boiling the water, like I said before, I added some lemon to start up my day. Okay, I have not taken anything. I just woke up after brushing my mouth, I decided to make this hot water and lemon. Not that too hot, it's just warm water. Okay, here are the lemons. I normally have lemon in my house. Okay, so after that, I went to my sitting room to chill off before I prepared jollof rice. I was just trying to see what is going on TikTok. Guys, in case you are not following me on my TikTok, you guys are missing a lot. Go there and follow me. I have 20,000 followers there. TikTok is really doing amazingly well. Okay, then after that, I decided to enter my kitchen. As you can see, here is the chicken wings I'm going to use for the jollof rice. Okay, this one is not the normal chicken I use all the time. I love that strong one, the native chicken, like okukigbo. I like that one so much. That one is very tasty and good. But this supermarket this one just manageable. Okay, so guys, I was just trying to cut the chicken. It's very soft too. It's not like the savage one. So after cutting it off, I was trying to remove the back. Look at it. I normally peel the back. I don't like it. So after cutting the chicken, I just washed them and put it inside my pot. So I added some dry thyme. Then I added salt. After that, I added some Maggi cube. Then I put it on my gas because at first I don't like adding water into my chicken whenever I'm cooking it, because especially this type, this one is so stuffed, and this one has a lot of water on it. So I decided to boil it for about 2 minutes before I added water. So here is my foreign rice. According to Nigeria slangs, we call it foreign rice. You can see it. So this is what I'll be preparing. Then after that, I have plantain. So guys, this plantain, my husband actually bought it from African store. This one is Ecuador plantain, because here in Italy they don't have plantain and banana. They always import it from Ecuador or Costa d'Avorio. Okay, from Africa also. So we got some carton of plantain. Trust me guys, the plantain is so big. I love it. This one is not like the one that I bought some time ago. So this one is so different. So I decided to select some of them because the plantain is already getting ripe. I select some to fry them. So before I cut the plantain, I make sure that I wash it. Okay, I normally do it. So I don't know how you guys do yours at home. So before I slice plantain, I like to wash the back, then peel off the skin and cut them. So that is what I did here, washing it before cutting them. Okay. Tin tomatoes. Here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I only took that little because the pepper is so harsh, so I decided to use that one. So guys, this is the final. This is what I prepared. I love it. It's so delicious, so amazing. Here is the plantain. So this is not all, but I just decided to showcase this one. And here is my cup of juice. Bon appetito, my friends and my subscribers. Thank you all guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share if you have community tab. Thank you all guys for watching. Till I come your way again. Bye.